Now with Yvonne, we got a little bit of everything up here in Burnaby, including hail this afternoon.
Yeah, mixed bag, and we're still seeing the potential for some hail early this evening. So that's what we're tracking. We can see lots of instability. There's some pockets even along the North Shore Mountains extending in towards the Fraser Valley. And we are looking at the potential for some snow picking up late evening, overnight, and in towards the morning hours, and that'll be across the island. First off, I did want to point out we've got very chilly temperatures, this extreme cold across the province. It'll settle in the coming days, but areas in towards the Colton, when you factor in the wind chill, could feel closer to -40, so we've got extreme cold warning. The areas in green across the island, that's the special weather statement. So inland, even including Victoria, we have the potential to see anywhere between 2 and up to 10 centimeters of snowfall. That'll begin tomorrow morning and then continue through the day. And the potential for Metro Vancouver will be flurries, very windy for areas near Howe Sound with gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour. So lots of active weather, but we are going to hone in on that potential for some snowfall across the island. Higher elevations in towards the interior will still see some isolated flurries for the morning hours. And then a look ahead, plans for the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, we're tracking snowfall. This is still a few days out, so I want you to tune back in, but we are going to see the potential between 5 and up to 10 centimeters of snowfall across the lower mainland. This will impact our weekend, and it could begin as early as Saturday, so stay tuned. Now, for tomorrow along the northern half of the province, we're seeing plenty of sunshine, a nice break, but it's very chilly, extending in towards the southern interior along the south coast. Areas of concern will be the island that will see that snowfall through the day. Lower mainland with the chilly temperatures in the coming days. Flurries for Wednesday morning, potential for snow. Chris, as we get in towards the weekend so far. Back to you.
All right. Thanks very much, Yvonne. Yvonne joins us now with another look at weather. We went from beautiful sunshine this afternoon to a pounding hailstorm up here in Burnaby.
Yeah, depending on where you were. Locally, we did see some hail. Take a listen to some of the visuals that were sent in from earlier this afternoon. This was on Victoria Drive. It almost looked like snow for some drivers that are out there, but it was isolated hail. And we actually still have the potential as we get in towards this evening. So keep that in mind if you're out on the roadways. We can see that with a few heavier pockets right now, just along the eastern edge, extending in towards the Fraser Valley. Big weather story across the island, inland, eastern regions, and Victoria, though. We're looking at some snow that'll start to develop as early as the morning hours and then continue through the day. Cold Arctic air right across the province. This will continue to settle in the coming days. Areas of concern, especially for the central interior with the wind chill -30 and a few spots closer to -40. The snow will be locally across the island, but there is that potential up to 10 centimeters, most areas between 2 and up to 5 centimeters. We've got a nice break between systems for Thursday, Friday, but this is a look ahead. I really wanted to advertise that we have the potential Saturday night late in towards our Sunday. We're looking at snow across the lower mainland. Metro Vancouver could see anywhere between 5 and a few spots locally with up to 15 centimeters. So we'll be watching this closely. Stay tuned. But a look ahead towards the weekend, especially for Sunday morning if you're making plans, is when we're looking at accumulating snowfall. Chilly right across the board, paired with sunshine for much of the northern and central regions of the province. Southern interior, if you're along the mountain passes, the snow should start to ease off this evening. We'll be tracking a chance for some flurries for tomorrow. Snow inland, eastern regions, Victoria, those are the areas of concern for the island through the day tomorrow. Lower mainland, we're also looking at the potential for some flurries, but not much in terms of accumulation. Chilly in the coming days, and then looking ahead towards our Saturday and into Sunday morning, accumulating snow. All right, this is a shot from our weather window tonight, Stanley Park, and it was captured by Rob with the waves out there. Chris?
Yeah, big splash. Thanks very much, Yvonne.